Hi, my name is Kaylee, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your 12-volt starting battery in your 2024 and up hybrid Tacoma. Use a panel removal tool to press the red button and unlatch the center seat belt. Remove the 3 locking pins that hold the seats down. Using a panel removal tool or screwdriver, pry the center of the pin upward to release the lock. Then remove the locking pins. The seats are joined together with some fabric that has Velcro. Using a 12mm socket, remove the negative battery terminal. Secure battery terminal to ensure it does not come in contact with the battery. Reinstall the nut. Remove the battery monitor system. Press the release tab and pull the harness towards the driver's side of your Taco. Be sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all of the social medias, as well as subscribe to us on YouTube because I'm going to be showing you how to do a complete audio upgrade in your 2024 and up Toyota Tacoma, whether it has JBL, non-JBL, is a hybrid, or a non-hybrid.